Hello, this is Andre's Adventures and today we are in Samphire Hoe. There are beautiful white cliffs here and a splendid view on the sea. In this video, you will discover more about Samphire Hoe Nature Reserve and what it is that makes this place so special. Here we go! Samphire Hoe is an amazing park by the sea, situated just 4 miles away from Dover. It is open from 7 a.m. until dusk. There are lots of car park spaces and you can pay by cash or by RingGo app on your mobile phone. From the car park, you can walk down to the giant concrete seawall and see an incredible panoramic of the English Channel. Keep an eye out for the sheep that usually graze here on the meadow beneath the white cliffs. Samphire Hoe's seawall is over a mile long. On a sunny day, you can enjoy a nice stroll by the beautiful turquoise sea. The famous white cliffs of Dover gave Great Britain the poetic name Albion, which means white. This whole nature reserve is made from chalk and, to be specific, from 4.9 million cubic meters of chalk marl dug to create the Channel Tunnel. You can see the port of Dover and the famous Shakespeare Cliff from here that is said to have inspired a passage from King Lear. There is a cliff whose high and bending head looks fearfully in the confined deep. Halfway down hangs one that gathers samphire. Dreadful trade. They say that Shakespeare was a frequent visitor to Dover at the time of writing it. If you get hungry, come back to the site office near the car park with a tea kiosk. It is open from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and offers ice cream, tea and coffee, snacks, soup and rolls. Hello, please can I have an egg roll and an egg and cheese roll? Yes. I chose an egg roll today. I tried them before here and they are fantastic. You can enjoy your lunch at one of many wooden tables near the cafe. And after that, you can continue your walk or your run. This is a great place for running, as there are usually no crowds of people here. Look out across the sea to distant views of France. The scenic footpath goes up and down the hills all the way to the ponds, where you can enjoy the tranquility of this unique coastal park. The far end, Samphire Hoe Beach, is a lovely place to have a picnic and enjoy the sun and the crystal clear sea. And do you know why this place is called Samphire Hoe? This name was recommended by former English teacher Gillian Janeway, inspired by that passage from Shakespeare's King Lear. Rock samphire was a plant that grows here, and you can see from the above where the name hoe came from. Please let me know in the comments if you like this video. And if you visit Samphire Hoe, share your experience. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I wish you lots of fantastic adventures.